Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com hourly analysis for silver for Thursday, November the 11th, 2010. Well, we can see that this market has been trading down below the Ichimoku cloud for quite a few trading periods now. We had not a bearish breakout down below, it was a candle with a red body, but there was a great lack of commitment from the bears. There was no follow through from the bears upon the breakout below the cloud. Now, just looking back, and we could go back a fair way on this chart, that the market was trading up above the cloud for a substantial period of time. The market tested the bottom of the cloud and rallied from there, tested on quite a few occasions, and we can see here it highlights very well how the cloud can act as an area of support or resistance. So the market was testing that area, bouncing off, testing, bouncing off, and then trading through. And then the market found resistance at the bottom of the cloud. We can see that the market sold off from the area just at the bottom of the cloud. Once again, the market continued trading over the last few days and tested the cloud again, with the market selling off from there. Here at the moment, in the last few hours, we've had the market trading within the cloud and testing the cloud, and that's the market is starting to sell off again. Very important for this market, obviously, if the market's going to trade up above the cloud with a bullish candle, then the market may rally and test the highs up around 29.34. We can see previously, as the market attempted to trade up above there with a bullish breakout, that we had a tweezers top pattern and the market sold off. So if we see any of these reversal patterns coming in, if the market does break out to the upside, then we certainly wouldn't want to remain long. If we do see a bearish close down below, then it could be a good sell signal, but there is strong support down below, certainly around 27 and extending down to 26.5. We can see that the market found support previously, and these figures aren't exact. The swing low here was roughly about 26.42. 26.5 pretty much in this region, and then certainly around 27. So they're very important levels for this market. We've actually had a couple of crossovers above and below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, and so we've got a lot of indecisive trading occurring at the moment. We actually had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen below the Kijun-sen a few days ago, but that occurred above the cloud, so that was a weak signal. Then we had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen, but that occurred below the cloud, so that was a weak buy signal. We then had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen below the Kijun-sen, which occurred below the cloud. That was a strong signal. The market was trading within the cloud at the time, so we do need to consider longer term perspective here, and the market was quite neutral, so whether that would be a signal that we would take, we need to consider that. We did have some bearish follow through, but the market was still trading within the cloud, and the cloud extends down to the area that the market will be interacting with is around 27, 25 roughly. So that could be significant for the market. In this hour of trading that we're looking at the right-hand side of the chart, that's not a complete hour yet, and we have had a crossover again. So we will need to look at that, whether the market will maintain that crossover as that final hour of trading does finish. But in the first term time frame, the market is actually trending down. So we do have the market trending down with a bearish candle in that final hour of trading that's completed, and the market is likely to continue trending down and test the bottom of the cloud, or certainly where the market's trading around the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which are 27.38. So to the upside, obviously if we do break 27.87 with a bullish signal, then there is some good potential for price appreciation To the downside, though, if we have a breakout down below the cloud, we may get a lot of indecisive trading and volatile trading, testing support around 27 and down to around 26.5.